Hi there, guys. It's Matt from Allure Limousines in Perth, Western Australia. Just thought I'd give a bit of a wrap to Kate Toon for her Recipe for SEO Success course. Look, we've spent thousands on SEO in the past with companies doing it for us and ripping us off blind and not actually doing anything at all, just charging us thousands of dollars. And I've also tried other SEO courses, but I've got to say that Kate's is definitely the easiest to follow, and it gives you the best results. So I'm absolutely wrapped. Look, the price of Kate's courses is a consideration, but after you've started the course and once you get involved in doing it on your own site, the cost is insignificant. It really is. It's worth signing up for. So knock yourselves out, guys. It's a great course, and thanks very much, Kate.